Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Frigidaire FFRA062WAE window-mounted room air conditioner, renowned for its efficiency and cooling power. This 6,000 BTU unit is a standout choice for anyone looking to beat the heat with reliability and ease of use. The Frigidaire FFRA062WAE boasts 6,000 British thermal units, ensuring rapid and effective cooling for rooms up to 250 square feet. Multi-speed fan. It offers flexibility with 3 fan speeds to cater to varying cooling needs throughout the day. Designed for comfort and energy savings, this mode gradually increases temperatures overnight. Customize your cooling schedule with a 24-hour timer, ensuring your home is comfortable exactly when you need it. Enjoy convenience with precise temperature and fan speed adjustments from anywhere in the room. Features an easy-to-clean washable filter to keep air quality high and your unit running efficiently. Optional side panels adapt to your window size, ensuring a secure fit. Ideal for bedrooms, small apartments, or offices, maintaining a comfortable environment without compromising on energy efficiency. The unit's compact dimensions make it suitable for most standard windows. With a seasonal energy efficiency ratio of 11, it offers solid energy efficiency, though it is not ENERGY STAR certified. In conclusion, the Frigidaire FFRA062WAE is a top choice for those seeking a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly air conditioning solution. Its blend of cooling power, programmable features, and easy maintenance make it a standout in the market. That wraps up our review of the Frigidaire FFRA062WAE air conditioner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product reviews on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.